So mauna ni ang ato ang poetry portion. The best part of Panglakaton program with the JME. So akong pagabasahon karon ang hunghong sa akong hardin. O di ba? Muhunghong di ay na ang garden. So ang title ani because it's English. Garden Whispers. Okay? Okay, before that, shout out sa akong mga classmates, batch 81 nga karon naa sa Don Salvador sa Villa Vista. We are celebrating our 45th alumni. So, can you imagine mga tigulang namitanan? Not so tigulang, but senior namitanan. And hi everyone. Dili na ako ma-memorize tagsa-tagsa, but I'm happy. Naa si Julius na from Canada, naa si Jose Cortez from the US, si Doc Marty from the US also, ug uban pa daghang nangabot, si Pamela Mati nga mag-celebrate sa iyang birthday ugma. So from Don Salvador 2 nights me, then we will go to sa ilahang resort sa Alangilan Bato. So nakaadto nako murag Alangilan gyud. So it's my second time nga moadto. So happy birthday Pam. Uban pa natong mga classmates, no? Mga batchmates nga lingaw kaayo ko. So Garden Whisper. Si Biboy di ay nga nag-organize, and si Cecil, si Margie, of course si Julius, my dear friend, and of course si Jose Cortez. O ang akong ka-roommate si Tess, nga naapod sa ME, si Tess, si Marites, duha ka Tess, and si Emily. So saludo kay ko ni Emily, no, kay na-stroke siya actually, but then she managed to come diha uban namo. So kada bang kung bisan di masakiton ta, bisan tuog naatay apan sa atong health, if we are willing to come, kung may gusto may paraan, kung ayaw may dahilan. So good morning everyone, see you all after lunch. Balik na ko diha, baligyaan ta mo bags nga naingalan batch 81. You know our high school batch 81, may mga paint. Okay, so here we are. Garden Whispers. As I patiently wait for flowers to bloom, I ponder the whispers of my garden's womb. As the breeze blares and touches my brown skin, I feel the gentle caress where new dreams begin. Oh, di ba? New plants mirror generations to come. Tree shadows shield us from the scorching sun. Withered leaves remind me soft and kind. All things pass with time. Let's hold that in mind. White hibiscus buds reach toward the skies. Naman ko ko'y gumamela. Anto lang nga white ba? A beacon of hope, a promise that never lies. Sunlight graciously infuses life. Flowers burst forth with quiet pride. Tall plants shelter and shadow the young ones. They are small, yet they stand where glory runs. Orange bougainvillea starts to appear, dangling to the ground. Like my spirit blossoms bright, wild and round. Red blooms Guard my welcoming entrance, showing strong and blissful abundance. These simple sights feed my vibrant glee. As I savored of this paradise-like scenery. I need no costly things to be rich and happy. Just simple art of my humble garden fills my day. Yes, that was written by DJME Helen Sarita. And thank you so much. I now brought to you by ME at your service supplies OPC and ME Publications. The time now is 9:58. So this is DJME now signing off.